So let's invent a shape. And here's our shape, and I've put on some coloured blobs just to make sure we know which point goes to where. Now, if this shape is reflected in the line x is equal to 2, now the red point is 4 coordinate points in the x direction to the left of the line. So when we reflect it, it will be 4 points to the right of the coordinate point. So the red point will go to here. There will be no change in the verticals, so the reflection will be here. Now we're going to be reflecting in the line x equals 6. Now our red point will not move, but the yellow point, now 2 coordinate points to the right, will be 2 coordinate points to the left. And we can draw our shape. Again, there's no vertical transformation, this being the green point up here. This is shape A, this is shape B, and this is shape C. So what's happened to shape A? Well, there's now no reflection because the 2 reflections have put it back right again, horizontally. And if we take the yellow point, this is at -4 and it's gone up to +4. There is no vertical shift, so we can say that the transformation from A to C is a translation of a +8 in the x direction and 0 in the y direction. And that is your answer.